the key to Japanese people's house? Good morning! In this video, I'm going to share what meal I typically eat Japanese families' home. Japan is globally renowned for its exceptional health standards and longevity. Have you ever wondered what the secret is? While it's not all about numbers, they are certainly astonishing. Japan's low obesity rate just 4.5%, compared to America 42.7%. So what's the key to maintain this health? The answer may be found in my Japanese mother's kitchen. Today, we'll explore the secret of Japanese health and longevity through my daily meals. Let's start by taking a peek. What's for breakfast? My mother works as a nurse, and I absolutely love her homemade healthy dishes. In Japan, rice is an essential part of our diet. While Japanese people consume about half as much weight as Americans annually, our rice intake is almost double in comparison. Our rice cookers are a technological marvel. There are over 40 different types of rice. Each time ensures a perfect texture, be it soft or firm. This morning's main dish is grilled fish. Japan is around the leading country in fish consumption, with the average person consuming around 47 kilograms of fish annually, a figure that significantly exceeds the fish consumption in the US. Fish isn't just a delicious part of our diet, it's a source of high-quality protein and rich in omega-3 fatty acid, crucial for reducing heart disease and stroke risks. Our breakfast spread today includes rice, natto, grilled fish, ohitashi, miso soup, raw eggs. In Japan, consuming raw eggs is quite common. My favorite way to enjoy is drizzling soy sauce over raw eggs mixed with rice, a simple yet delightful combination. And let's not forget fermented food like natto, miso soups, which are indispensable in our cuisine. Along with soy sauce, Korean kimchi, these fermented foods are easily available in supermarkets and form an essential part of our healthy diet. Itadakimasu. In Japan, we say itadakimasu before eating a lot of great food. It lets us appreciate every bite of our meal. Next, it's lunchtime now. Today my mother making one of my favorite dishes for me. It's inarizushi. Sushi rice stuffed into sweetly seasoned tofu pouches. It's simple yet unique style of sushi that's easy to make and eat. Perfect for a cherry blossom viewing, picnics, or a casual party in Japan. This sushi, wrapped for a vegan-friendly option, has name rooted in tradition. It comes from deity known for crop protection, a testament to its historical importance in Japan. There are many delicious sweet potato dishes in Japan, but Daigaku-imo is especially famous. It's a sweet treat where sweet potatoes are golden sugar. You may wonder about its unique name. Daigaku-imo means university potato. In the Taisho era, sweet potatoes are affordable and filling option for cash-strapped university students. Thus, it became popular among students and was named Daigaku-imo. In a typical Japanese meal, there are usually side dishes along with the main dish. These side dishes, using vegetables, mushrooms, and seaweed, help balance the diet and maintain good health. This is our lunch for today. In Japan, it's common to drink tea with milk, especially green tea, which is known for its health benefit. Green tea has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties and can also help lower sugar levels. It's commonly offered in most Japanese restaurants, sometimes even for free. いただきます。
もっとついてもよかったね。
美味しい。
味が染みてるね。
Next, I'll be joining my mother as she goes out to shop for dinner ingredient. Let's see what she picks up. It's shopping time at Japanese supermarket, a place where you can find variety of food, making just looking around enjoyable. First, we headed to vegetable section. Here you can see the reflection of Japanese fall season with fresh fruits and vegetables that change with each season. You can enjoy the seasonal flavor of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The feature of Japanese supermarket is wide variety of flavor dishes available. You can find a range of healthy and tasty options like sushi, curry rice, tempura, and katsu. Choices are surprisingly abundant. And you can't miss the fermented fruit section, especially natto. Natto is known as a healthy Japanese food, and its variety is truly astonishing. Next, we visited the fish section. The abundance of fresh seafood is unique to Japan. No matter where you are, you can always find fresh and delicious fish. Today, we picked a variety of fish that will be the star of tonight's dinner. Stay tuned! Back home, tonight there is a special feeling in the air. Actually, it's my birthday, and she is starting to prepare for Japanese-style celebration. We've decided on hand-rolled sushi party. The beauty of hand-rolled sushi is that everyone can create their own unique combination. It's perfect for family celebration and parties. Even our vegan friends can join the fun. Usually we had miso soup with our meal, but tonight we are making osuimono, a traditional Korean Japanese soup. It perfectly complements our hand-rolled sushi, especially with its delicate matsutake mushroom flavor, which enhances the taste of sushi and air dishes. Let's dive in making hand-rolled sushi with my mom. Start by cutting a seed of seaweed to the size of your palm and gently spread sushi rice on it. Next, top is your favorite ingredient: fish, vegetable, eggs, and some even enjoy adding meat. Lift the edge of seaweed, roll up around the fillings, and roll it up. When eating, you can add a bit of soy sauce and a touch of wasabi to taste. And if you have found any ingredient combinations that work well, please share this. And for the grand final, we are celebrating with Japanese cake. On a special day like this, special dessert is a must. I hope today's video gave you a glimpse into the charm of Japanese home cooking. There are many tips from our diet that you can easily incorporate in your daily life. For example, try incorporate more seafood into your diet. Make rice a staple in your meal. Drink green tea regularly. I'm also excited to announce that I'm giving away the recipe from today's video for free on my blog. Be sure to check them out and recreate the magic of Japanese home cooking in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and leave a comment. I'm looking for your question and request. I hope this will contribute to your health and happiness. Thank you for watching. Bye!